Hey guys, so today I thought it would be fun to share everything that I got for my baby shower. So I have one more baby shower next weekend, so I can do a part 2 to this if anyone's interested. But I thought it would be fun to go ahead and just show you some of my favorite things that I got. I'm not going to get into every single thing because that would take forever, so I'm just going to kind of go quick overview of the highlights and the things that I'm really excited for. So I'm going to start off with kind of like a bath theme or bathing type things. I got actually a ton of like baby lotions, baby shampoo, and hair or body wash and all that kind of stuff. So we should be set for quite a while. First, I got this Honest set, lotion, and the wash, so I'm excited about that. And then I got this Pipette travel set. I love the Pipette stuff. I've personally been using their body lotion, and so I got several of their baby things. So I got their shampoo and wash, and then 2 different people got me their body lotions, so those are great. And then the little travel set comes with this little toiletry bag, and then it comes with all the different items but in travel size. So on the box it says it's supposed to come with like the wash and a lotion, but mine actually came with 2 of the washes. So I'm gonna have to figure out if they sell a travel size of the lotion separately and just buy that. But it also had their little balm in there and then a baby oil. This bag is also super cute and can hold a lot of other things in there as well, so I'm excited for that. We do travel a lot, so this will be perfect. Then I also got these Shea Moisture ones, the wash and the lotion, and then this little like rinser cup for the bath. Someone got me these cute little rubber duckies bath toys. These will be fun. And then kind of off of the bath theme, but 2 sets of these pacifier wipes. My sister has these and uses them with her son all the time. You know, when you're out in public and they spit out the passy or it falls on the ground, you can just wipe them off and clean them really quick with these. So these will be great to stick in the diaper bag. One of the items that I am most excited for is the Snuggle Me Organic. I got this one in the color, I think it's Stone. I just know that a lot of moms really like these, and they're great for like supervised naps and tummy time and just general hanging out for the baby. So I also added a cover, a few like little muslin covers to my registry, and I have one more shower next weekend, so if I don't get those then I'll just buy them, and that way I can be able to just wash the covers if they get dirty or anything. Okay, my camera died, so the angle might be a little bit different. But moving on to this side of my pile, I got this car seat cover. It can also be used as like a nursing cover, high chair cover. I actually haven't even taken it out yet, so I will do that, see what it looks like. Very cute, just has this little like cross pattern on it. It's really soft, so that will be nice. These are just 2 little muslin swaddles. These are 2 really cute swaddles from Target. It's got like little animals on this one and then like birds, and yeah, they're super cute. I'm excited for those. I got one of the Halo sleep sacks to try, and then also the Merlin's Magic sleep sack. You just never know like what your baby's gonna like, so I wanted to get a few different kinds and just see what works best for us. This is just a whole bundle of more burp rags. I had gotten 6 before at my first just really small shower, and I realized 6 probably wasn't even nearly enough. So this is 6 more. Still might not be enough, but you know, we'll try starting out with that. Then I also got the Hatch sound machine. I'm very excited about this. I know that people love this, so I'm excited to try this out and see how it works for us. Then I got a few different shapes and sizes of pacifiers. So these are the little bibs ones, and these are by Nook. I'm going to, if I don't get them at my shower, buy a few different other size. Like this is size 2 for 6 to 18 months. This is 0 to 6 months, but I want to get like this brand and just, you know, all the different sizes and brands, because you never know what they're gonna like. But I think these ones are so cute. I got this little portable sound machine that can just clip on to like the car seat or stroller, so when you're out you can let baby take a nap, and then also a little portable fan. So I thought this would be nice to use for me in the hospital when I'm in labor, and then in the future to clip onto baby's stroller if we're out taking a walk and it's hot. A little bit of like feeding supplies. I got these really cute bowls that they are suction on the bottom, so they suction to the tray, and then they have little lids if they don't finish their meal. Super cute. And these little spoons that are from Target, and they have the like little bear on the top. Very adorable. And then I also got this little portable high chair. I thought this would be nice to take for travel. And then also we have a little vintage high chair, but it's kind of big and I feel like he won't be able to sit in it like very sturdily for a while. So I thought maybe we could just set this one on our table and he can use that when he's first starting to eat around 6 months, and that'll work better than trying to stick him in the big high chair. Then a very sweet lady at my church made me a few little blankets, and then also this gorgeous quilt that I am just in love with. It's got little like trucks on it and I think like tractors, and then it's the alphabet. So this is all embroidered too. A lot of time and thought went into this, and it's very, very beautiful. And then on the back it's also like this alphabet print. So we will love this and use this for years to come. And then we also got several different boxes, different sizes of diapers and wipes, which I'm very thankful for because I know that's a cost that's going to add up and we'll probably go through them much quicker than we expect. So I appreciate all the people who bought us those and got us kind of started. Those are my favorite things that I got. I definitely did get a ton of clothes, which I'm not going to go through in this video. I thought maybe I would do a video of like my favorite baby boy clothes that I found and that I've gotten, because there's a lot and that would take a long time to go through. And then also baby boy clothes honestly are so hard to shop for, like at least if you have a similar style to me. Yeah, there's just a lot of like not cute baby boy clothes out there, so I thought maybe I would share the ones that I found and that I really like. And then we also got like a huge stack of books, which I might show in like our nursery tour or something, because we are going to display some of his books and stuff. And then yeah, just a few other little like keepsake items and stuff like that. We got several packages of socks, but I kind of lumped that into the clothes category. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, I post more over there, like day-to-day life story updates and all that good stuff. And then I recently stepped into the world of TikTok. I know absolutely no idea what I'm doing over there, but if you want to follow me, you can. My goal is to post a TikTok every single day. And so far I've done that, which it's only been like 3 days, so we'll see how long I can keep that going. But I would love it if you guys followed me over there. And yeah, anyway, that's all for this video, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!